name is Bob, and I approve this message.
Hey guys, so my name's Kaylee, and I'm going to be restarting my channel because I don't know, I just felt like it. And yeah, so today my video will be I'm showing you how to open up Cuban box. So my friend went to Cuba, and I think Cuba. Anyways. And he got this box and he told me to open it, and I was like, what? It's not possible. Anyways, after 2 days I figured it out, and you know, it's actually pretty hard figuring it out, but when you get it, it's like, and basically it's really easy, so I'll show you, but just remember, you really feel accomplished when you figure it out, so try to figure it out, and if you can't, keep watching. Okay, so basically, your dominant hand will go on the side where the Cuban flag is. So this is it. There would be a star right here, but mine doesn't have one. Anyways, so yeah, that goes there, and then your non-dominant hand will go on the opposite side. So for your dominant hand, you're only going to be using your thumb and your middle finger. And so your middle finger will go on the bottom triangle, because there's only one, and you get a good grip on it, gotta push, and I use like this, because it's really easy to use that. So you push there, and then you take the bottom of your thumb and put it on the big triangle here. It's right next to the flag. So you use that right there, get a good grip on it, and then you just pull, and it should come out. So I'll show you one more time. Bottom thumb goes on the big triangle here. Good grip with your non-dominant hand, and this part of the thumb, middle finger will go on the bottom triangle, and then you just get a good grip and pull. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe because I'll be posting more videos, and like and comment, and thanks guys.